This video demonstrates how to create custom lettering on a Lego brick. So suppose I have a brick here, it's a 2x2 brick. First thing we're going to do is we're going to create a new sketch on the face showing right here. So I'm going to right click on this face and I'm going to select the new sketch button here and create a new sketch. If I right click on sketch 4, there's a normal to button, so we'll switch here so we can look at it from a normal perspective. And from here, all I need to do is I'm going to add text. So I'll click the text button, and we're going to enter my text. This is initials, so I'll just type in M space Y space. And click OK. You notice that the text is located down here at the bottom. There's a point here in which I can move the text around. If I want to make sure the text is centered, what I'm going to do is I'm going to select anywhere on the back screen so I don't have anything selected. I'm going to draw a line, and I'm going to use a line for construction. We're going to start it on one edge, and I'm going to make sure that it's horizontal and go all the way to the other edge. So my construction line, that's where I want the text to be located. So I'm going to hit escape to get out of the command, and then double click on the text. I get back into the text screen. I'm going to choose the curves button and select that line, and from the options I'm going to choose the text to be centered, so it's going to center it on there. If I'm not happy with the size, I can change use document font, and we can increase the font. So if I click the font button, we can change what size it is. Right now the font is 3.5 millimeters. I'm going to change that to 4.5. Looks good, and we'll click OK. And one last thing, I'm going to dimension, because I'll go to Smart Dimension, and from the base to that line, we'll let that be 2.5 millimeters. Hit escape to get out of that command, and if I grab the text now, although it shows blue, it is fully defined. I can't move it in any direction. So we'll exit the sketch. I'm going to let my text be extruding out. I'm going to do that because the brick is only a 1 millimeter shell, so if we extrude it in, it would actually become hollow. We'll let this still be 1 millimeter thick. Click OK, and now my initials are engraved on the side of the brick.